Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Can you really get paid to help train AI from your couch? That's what Crowdgen promises. Let's find out if it's worth your time. Crowdgen is built by Appen, a company around for over 25 years. They connect regular people with AI companies that need human help. Things like checking if an AI translation sounds right, rating search results, recording your voice, or watching short videos and leaving notes on them. Real tasks that help make AI smarter. You don't just sign up and start working. First, you browse the open projects and apply to the ones that fit you. Each project shows you what job it is, what skills you need, and how much it pays. Then you wait to hear back. If you get accepted, you get access to the members area and you can start. Some projects need you to pass a short test first, but they give you study guides to help. Once you're in, you work on your own time. Pay depends on the project. Some tasks pay around $3 per hour, others go up to $19 or even $40 an hour. The higher paying ones usually need more skill. You get paid through PayPal, Payoneer, AirTM, or direct bank transfer. Crowdgen paid out over $157 million to workers in 2022 alone, so the money is real. Here's the honest truth. Work isn't always there. Projects dry up, some users complain about slow support and delayed payments, and getting accepted can take a while. This is not a full-time job. Think of it as an extra money on the side, not a salary replacement. Crowdgen is legit. It's backed by a real company, pays real money, and the tasks are easy to understand. But don't expect it to replace your income. If you want a flexible side hustle that pays you to help build AI, this is one of the better options out there. If this helped, hit subscribe. I review these platforms so you don't have to.